Hey everyone, this is going to be a video on steganography. So this is an example of how you can hide data within an image file like a JPEG or a PNG. And yeah, so I have an example.jpg here. This is just a normal JPEG file. There's nothing really that is different about it. It's just a JPEG file. Doesn't have any special tags or anything like that. And then I've also got a message.txt which says test. I'm going to hide this message within this JPEG file. So I'm going to be using the program OpenStego, which is by Samir Vaidya. Hopefully I didn't butcher your name. Yeah, so code is based on Peter Meerwald, who wrote a thesis on watermarking. So this code, I think this program is written in Java, but it takes his theory on hiding data and implements it into a so we can actually use it, right? So we're going to choose our message file, and it's going to be a message.txt. Then there's going to be a cover file, which is going to be our example.jpg. And so our output stego file, we're going to call it example hidden, and it's going to be a BMP. Now we can use an encryption algorithm of AES 128 or 256. I'm going to choose 256. And you can set a password if you'd like, unless there is another reversing tool out there. I'm pretty sure you can only reverse this with this tool, so I think this is tool specific, unless the algorithm has been reversed, which I would assume it's possible since this source code is up on GitHub, and I'll link that in the description. But let's hide the data, and there we go. So we have example hidden.bmp, right? And you open it, and it's the exact same image. However, you should note that it's 5.49 megabytes, right? And the original is 249 kilobytes. So, and let's check the properties to see if there's anything. Yeah, so it doesn't look like there's it doesn't look that much different. And so if we actually put this into something called CyberChef, you can actually kind of see a little bit about how, yeah, so this doesn't look like a normal BMP, right? And that would be a telltale sign that this that there's some steganography going on here. And so then if we wanted to extract the data, right, we input our file, example hidden, and we have an output folder. Let's just choose desktop. And you would put in the password, you'd extract the data. Yeah, it already exists, that's fine. So we extracted this, and there's a message, it says test. Yeah, so pretty simple to use. This is a great tool if you're looking to get into steganography. So yeah, that's it.